Welcome back to my channel, YouTube. Listen, let's jump right in. I don't want to waste your time. We're gonna make tangerine marmalade today. Now, this is super easy, and this goes for pretty much all citrus, but I have to admit, these tangerines are beautiful. This is a late season tangerine. This variety is called Tango tangerine. It's one of my favorites. Literally, I love it. You can use every single bit of it. So, the reason why I love these ones so much is because they are sweet, tart, balanced, seedless, and then my favorite part is the skin. And so that's what I'm using these for, okay? So from there, we're gonna slice them in half and then juice them. I highly suggest you hand juice these and not use an electrical juicer because it will pull too much of the pith. And then from there, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the excess flesh and then get the little petals out of these tangerines. So as you can see, the skin is very thin. You really don't need to remove that much pith. There's barely any. And then I'm just gonna throw these on the ground here because they're for my pig. Yes, go ahead, Truffles, get that. We don't waste nothing around here. She loves tangerine. It's one of her favorites. She goes crazy when she sees tangerine. But anyway, jumping right back in, we're gonna julienne these, and I like to cut it in this shape because then from here I can do a lot with it. All right, but then from here, you wanna get these into a pan and then cold water and blanch 3 times. So cold water, bring them to the boil, pour off, and do that 2 more times, very quickly. Then we're adding a cinnamon stick, star anise, and a vanilla bean to the tangerine juice. From there, we're gonna bring it up. As you cook the rind, more juice is gonna release. Then from there, you wanna hit it with the sugar, and then you wanna cook it to this point, okay? Now, everybody's stove is different, the amount is different, so make sure it looks like this, almost translucent. You wanna cook it all the way. All right, at that point, you wanna add a pinch of citric acid just to season it, okay? We're not putting a tablespoon in there, just a little pinch to bring up the acidity because we cooked it all out. Then you're gonna get into a jar. I reorganize the cinnamon stick, and this is the most important part. If you're making any preserves, make sure you don't introduce any bacteria. So very important, wear gloves, push everything down. It's very important that the liquid must cover everything, okay? And then that's it. We are done. You let this chill out room temp and then store it however you please. I'm using this WEC jar, but I don't suggest these jars. Honestly, they kind of suck and too many parts. But, you know, I got them just to test them out, but I don't like them. But anyway, you can use this on anything, waffles, pancakes, you name it, duck, anything. It's so versatile. Thanks for watching my video. Listen, hey, hit that subscribe button because I got way more content coming out. I'm crushing it. Literally every single day I'm thinking about what content I'm gonna put out there next. So if you made it this far, leave what you want me to make in the comments and I got you.